Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it.
Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well, and welcome to the second episode of #Behan Let's Talk, where we talk about women health and hygiene. If you've been following me for a while, तुम लोगों को पता होगा that I started this series I think 2 महीने पहले, if I'm not wrong, and I got such a nice response on the first episode. So in this episode we will be talking about some life-saving period hacks that I absolutely swear by. You know, when I was in teenage, I really wish कि किसी ने मुझे इन hacks के बारे में बताया होता, because these hacks would actually make your period days better. And as we know that periods can be really messy, and you know the cramps can be really painful for most of the girls out there. So I really hope that these hacks would help you just to make your life a little bit easier when you're on your period. Although ऐसा नहीं है कि you know cramps एकदम vanish हो जाएंगे, but you know these hacks would make things better for you. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get started with the second episode of Behan Let's Talk. Alright, so hack number 1 is always keep a period tracking app in your phone. This would actually help you to track your menstrual cycle every month. There are so many apps available. Just download any app which works the best for you guys, because it would actually remind you that you are about to get your period, and फिर आप अपने आप को mentally prepare कर सकते हो. Of course these apps are not 100% accurate, but at least एक basic idea मिल जाता है, especially when you're not very good with remembering dates, just like me. Also guys, it's very important to be aware of your menstrual health at the same time. So yeah, a period tracking app comes really handy. Now hack number 2 is to use a heat therapy to deal with period cramps. Now earlier I used to use those bulky hot water bags, which I think is very inconvenient क्योंकि constantly refilling करनी पड़ती है, and obviously you cannot carry those bulky hot water bags everywhere with you. So recently I have started using this Cramp Comfort self-heating pain relief patch from this brand called Nua, and I'll be very honest with you guys, this has been such a savior for me because I get such painful cramps, and I'm so glad I discovered this product. And I love the fact that these Cramp Comfort patches are very convenient, like बहुत ही ज़्यादा convenient है, and they are like very on the go, you can say. So I'll just show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. So basically there's a sticker at the back. It's a self-heating technology. So जैसे ही आप इस sticker को remove करोगे ना, this patch will start heating up on its own. Now this patch actually emits a soothing heat for 8 hours, which gives you like a very long-lasting relief from period pain. And just in case you're wondering guys, this is एकदम non-toxic, safe to use, and 100% natural ingredients से बना हुआ है. So all you have to do is just take this patch out of the packet, remove the sticker, and stick it inside of your underwear so that it hugs your lower abdomen area nicely, and then just let the patch show its magic. Also guys, one very important thing to remember, that this patch should be stuck on your underwear and not on your skin directly. So इसको use करना बहुत ही easy है. It's very convenient because you can literally stick it and just leave it there for 8 hours. Do whatever you do, relax करना relax करो, कहीं जाना है तो भी you can just go out anywhere with this patch on. It's that convenient and it's very comfortable. One more thing guys, if you get like very severe cramps के मतलब you can't control and it's unbearable for you, so in that case this patch would help you to reduce the pain, but it might not eliminate the pain completely. So yeah, just keep that in mind. तो मैं आपको इस Nua Cramp Comfort heat patch का link नीचे description box में दे दूंगी. So this comes in a pack of 3 which costs you 299 rupees, but if you use my code Shivani20, so you will get a 20% off, which means कि आपको ये pack of 3 कुछ 239 rupees का पड़ेगा, and उस हिसाब से एक patch would cost you just 80 rupees. This is like spending 80 rupees a month for a patch. So yeah, I would highly recommend these patches. Do try this for yourself and let me know how this works for you. Now hack number 3 is doing yoga for menstrual cramps. Now this is one thing now which has helped me so much. I can't even tell you, like yoga actually helps to soothe the period pain. So basically I like to do some basic yoga poses which kind of helps to widen the pelvic muscles, and eventually it helps in reducing cramps. And I kid you not guys, a menstrual yoga is very effective. अगर कभी try नहीं किया है तो please एक बार try करके देखना. It definitely takes an effort to push yourself out of the bed and do yoga when you're actually not in a condition to do it. But you know what, once you start doing it, you would eventually feel better. मतलब इतना पेन में मैं ऐसे पड़ी होती हूँ कहीं पे, बट मैं फिर भी खुद को उठाती हूँ जबरदस्ती, एंड आई डू दीज बेसिक योगा स्ट्रेचेस जो कि बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करते हैं. इवन इफ यू आर नॉट इनटू वर्कआउट्स ना, दीज बेसिक योगा स्ट्रेचेस will help you with the cramps. So there's this YouTube video that I like to follow for this menstrual yoga. So I'm gonna leave it in the description box below. Make sure you know watch it and एक बार करके देखो, और please अगर फर्क पड़ेगा तो मुझे जरूर बताना. Alright, hack number 4 is how you can have absolutely rash free periods. Number 1 guys, हमेशा loose clothes पहना करो when you're on your period, and बिल्कुल भी ऐसे body hugging tight clothes मत पहना करो. Also very importantly, wear a cotton underwear instead of those fancy lacy underwear. Just avoid all that for these 4-5 days. Just wear cotton underwears and just let that area breathe. Now secondly and most importantly, use good quality rash free pads. Now I do not use anything except pads, and let's all agree rashes due to pads are like a very common thing and very annoying too at the same time. So I would highly recommend you guys to always use rash free pads only. Now the one that I use and I absolutely swear by is from Nua. So it's their ultra thin pads which are toxin free. Also they are very extremely soft on the skin. It feels like cotton, which won't give you any rashes. So basically guys, it comes in a pack of 12 like this, and the best part is कि आप इस pack को अपने period flow के according customize करवा सकते हो, because our period flows are different. For example, first 2 days पे we have a heavy flow, then third and fourth day पे flow थोड़ा medium हो जाता है, and then last के कुछ days में flow एकदम light हो जाता है. And let's all agree, 3 अलग अलग sizes के pad के packets खरीदना, it's not economical and it does not make sense also कि मतलब आप different type के flow के लिए different pads के sizes के packet खरीदो, पैसे भी waste हो जाते हैं, and like I said, economical भी नहीं है. So with Nua you can actually get a customized pack of 12 pads depending on your flow. This is for the heavy flow, and this light minty green sort of a packaging, इसमें इनका medium flow वाला pad आता है. Then we have this one which is for light flow. I'll just quickly show you the actual size of these pads. Now this is what the heavy flow wala pad looks like. You guys can see it's quite wide from the back. Now this pad is for medium flow, and lastly we have this size for light flow. You guys can see it's a pretty good size for the last days of periods. As you could see that the pads are quite wide from the back, which means कि काफी अच्छी coverage मिल जाती है and कोई leakage नहीं होती है guys. Trust me on this, especially when you sleep during the night, थोड़ा doubt रहता है लीकेज वगैरह का, but be rest assured क्योंकि काफी अच्छी coverage है, so it's completely leak proof. So all you have to do is just go to Nua's website and select how many pads you want for heavy flow, medium flow, light flow. You can customize the pack according to your needs, so it's damn convenient. Another cool thing that I really like about Nua is that with the Nua auto repeat plan, you can actually decide in what frequency you want the pads to get delivered at your doorstep. It can be monthly, bi-monthly or once in 3 months depending upon your needs, of course. ये feature काफी सही है because I am such a big भुलक्कड़ when it comes to buying pads. There have been a few incidents in the past wherein I got my periods but I forgot to buy pads. So I think to avoid all those last minute store runs, this feature is definitely a savior. Also one more thing which I really like is that these pads actually come with their own disposal covers which you can use to throw your pads after you're done using them. So I feel it's very convenient, it's clean, hygienic, and obviously you do not have to search for anything कि pads किस में dispose करे, कैसे dispose करे and all that. So if you also use pads during your periods, you can definitely order your Nua auto repeat plan using the link in the description box below. That link already has a pre-applied coupon of up to 33% guys, but अगर आप मेरा code use करोगे Shivani20, so आपको additional 20% off मिल जाएगा. And you know what guys, I've already opted for 3 packs to be delivered once in 3 months because I think it's quite economical. Make sure you check out the link in the description box because my code is valid only on that link. And with that, let's move on to our hack number 5, which is drink your period potion. Basically drink or eat anything whichever helps to soothe the period pain. It's very subjective. Some people like to have haldi wala doodh, some people like to have ajwain tea, chamomile tea, or any other herbal tea. It depends person to person. So you can obviously decide and choose whatever works the best for you. In my case, I think lukewarm water works the best because it actually, relaxes my tummy. It just gives me a very comfortable feeling. So I like to drink lukewarm water every now and then. Or वैसे भी ना guys, we are more likely to become dehydrated during our periods. So it's very important to stay hydrated. Drink as many glasses of water as you can. Lukewarm water preferably. Now the 6th and the last hack would be always keep a pad handy in your bag. You know, if you go to office or college, just make a small period kit. उसमें आप 2 pads रख सकते हो, one for you, one for someone else who might need it. And you can also keep one cram comfort patch that I just showed you. This is very convenient, very comfortable again. You can also keep some tissues and, you know, maybe a painkiller just in case of an emergency. So just make sure to keep all these things handy so that you're prepared for it. And yes, that was the last hack of this video. So those were all the period hacks that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you found the video helpful and take something away from this video. In case you know any other period hacks which might be helpful for all of us, then please make sure you leave them down below in the comment section. Also guys, don't forget to order your Nua auto repeat plan and the cram comfort patch. You can use my code Shivani20 for a 20% off on both the products. Remember guys, my code is only valid on the link given in the description box. And with that, I complete the second episode of Hashtag Behan Let's Talk. I really hope तुम लोगों को ये episode पसंद आया हो. And if you like this video, then please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In case you guys would like to connect with me on my social medias, then I would surely leave all the links for you in the description box below as always. And yes, I'm gonna see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.